Tonight at 5, he's 16 and now being charged as an adult for killing Marin Sanchez inside of their high school. Christopher Plaskin did not say a word in court today, but we learned a little bit more about his mental state. His lawyer says he displays signs of, quote, active psychosis. Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Ann Craig.
And I'm Darren Kramer. We've talked to experts about that psychosis and what it might mean. But first tonight, more on Plaskin's court appearance. A.J. Walker was in court. She joins us live from Milford tonight with more. A.J.?
Ann and Darren, Plaskin has been under medical care since he was first taken into police custody last week, and his mental state continues to play a role in this case. Today, his attorneys asking the judge to take his mental and psychiatric status into consideration, and the judge complying with those requests. 16-year-old Christopher Plaskin made his first appearance in Milford Superior Court this morning. He stood before the judge showing little emotion as he is formally charged as an adult in the gruesome murder of Marin Sanchez. And though Plaskin is young, State's Attorney Kevin Lawler says the magnitude of the crime is what matters to the courts.
It's never easy given these types of circumstances. But again, my job is to uphold the law of the state of Connecticut. The law of the state of Connecticut is that this defendant will be prosecuted as an adult. This case was mandatorily transferred.
But what could affect the trial is Plaskin's mental health, and the courts are watching that closely. His attorney says he is heavily medicated and on one-on-one suicide watch, but they say he is competent to stand trial.
Whether he understands the full ramifications, that all remains to be seen, but he certainly does not demonstrate to us any reason that we would suspect that we should be asking a judge to determine whether he's legally competent.
Competency is an ongoing determination. Somebody could be competent today and not competent tomorrow, so that's something that will be taken in the mix during the pendency of the entire action.
Milford police are still investigating, and Lawler says they will look at all components of the crime before Plaskin's fate is ultimately decided.
Once all of that's been done and the defense has done their due diligence in order to determine what we feel is the appropriate avenue for the case to proceed, whether that be a trial, a plea, whatever that may be.
Plaskin has been taken to Manson Youth Correctional Institute, where his attorneys say he will continue to get psychiatric treatment. He'll be in court again June 4th for a probable cause hearing, and of course we'll stay on top of this developing case. Outside of Milford Superior Court, A.J. Walker, News 8.